Students, now see on page number 73 of your Maths textbook, you will see this topic, what is next. Here you will write today's date. Students, this topic is all about comparison. You have to compare the things and you have to see which thing will come next. Next means to do some work, something afterwards, step by step. Okay, now observe the picture, write proper order of activities. Now see here, this boy, he is doing some work. Okay, now what he is doing? Yes, he has a fruit. He has a fruit in his hand. Now what he is trying to do? He is trying to eat the fruit, isn't it? But how he will do? What are the steps for that? Yes, first he will wash the food. First he will wash the fruit, first number. Then he will cut this fruit, second, and then he will eat the food. It will come at the last, that is third one. Okay, now here second one, this boy. Now first what he is doing? Yes, he is sleeping. He will first sleep. First, here you will write number 1. Then he will go to school. It will come at number 2. Then he will play. Okay, students. Now number 3. Here 3 different pictures are there. First, some boiling milk. Then a girl with a cup. Then mother who is pouring milk. First what she will do? Yes, first she will boil the milk. Then she will pour the milk in a cup. Then she will give you to drink. So first, second and third. Understood, students? Now moving forward to page number 74. There you will see let us measure, which we have already learned. Isn't it, students? Let us measure with the help of hand span, foot span. See. A bed cover is needed for Yash's cot. One is very short, the other is very long. See, it is a cot where you sleep and it is a bed cover. So whose it is? It is Yash's cot. Okay, so one is very short. See, this cot, it is very short, and another one is very long. See, it is going down, so it is long. Measure the length of the cot, then decide the measure of the cover. Yash does not have a tape to measure. Let's measure the length by span. See, measure the length of cot. See, first you will measure the length of cot, then decide the measure of bed cover. Okay. Now Yash does not have what he does not have? He does not have a tape. Okay. So let us use our hand span. Isn't it, students? See how Yash is using his hand span. In this way you can measure the things. With your hand span you can measure the thing. Yash measured the length as 11 spans. So the length of bed cover should be 13 spans, as it has to be a little longer. See, he measured this how long? Yes, 11 span. So what will be the length of the bed cover? Yes, it should be little longer, means 13 span, means it should go little down. Understood, students? Now see, measure the distance by feet between two flower pots nearby. So here you have to measure the distance with the help of this feet, means you have to take foot span here. Now this girl, she already took 2 steps here. Can you see? If in the same way we will take this step forward, how many span it will come? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here you will write 5 feet. Now guess the length of a newspaper, measure it by span and write. See students, if I'll take any of my newspaper and if I'll use my hand span, to measure it, then how long it will come? Yes, it will come 2 spans. In this way only you have to measure the things.